Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can record bank transfers money transfers between bank accounts on MyT. To record transfer between bank accounts or money accounts, we need to go to banking section. From here, click on banking ledger, and we can record transfer by clicking on transfer between bank accounts. Here you can add or change reference number, select the date when transfer has been made, add details. I will put business support, and then I can select from which account to which I have made the transfer. So in my case, I will have business account transfer. I will say £100, and this has been moved to credit card account, and click save. Now business account balance reduced and my credit card increased. So if I click on this business account, you can see transactions below here. So in this episode, I showed you how you can transfer or record transfers between your bank accounts. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.